student. Good evening. I am going to speak to you about social movement in our country, and we will discuss about this social movement. Now the word social represents diversity, the different colors, ideas and experiences in our society and cultural activities, and celebrating these differences of appearing the quality, inclusive and respectful of participants. The teachers ask that the mean what background, language, gender or appearance may be, we all being some human family just like a different states combined from a religion, thinking and different activities.